How to delete a group in session. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you no longer need a group chat in session, you can remove it from your chat list in just a few steps. First, launch the session app on your device and make sure you're logged in. After you're inside the chat page, go ahead and tap on one of your group chat you want to delete. Once you open the chat you want to delete, go to the upper right corner and tap on the profile icon. And from the settings menu, go to the bottom and click the delete group button. Now click on the delete button once again and this will remove all the members and delete all group content. So that's how you do it. You'll be leaving and deleting the group in a few seconds. So there you go, that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.